Okay, so now what we're going to do is use MIDI record to put in a violin part. There's two ways of getting into MIDI record. The first one is to press the big red button at the top in the transport, real-time MIDI record. Or you can press Command R or Control R depending on Mac or PC. And then there's a few options that come up in this dialog box which are really fun to play with, and you can experiment with your different settings to see what works best for you depending on what you're doing. You can turn your tuplets, multi-voice, multi-channel guitar on. I'm not going to specifically go into these right now because of video time constraints, but I'll come back to it in a later video. So from here, I've got a 1-bar count-in set. Once I press start recording, I'll hear the click start, like this. And I'm going to stop that and go back in. Another way that you can handle that is to press the space bar, which does exactly the same thing. Okay, so now once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple of editing tricks to make this go faster. If I select this note, I'll get rid of it. Same thing here. They just came in an eighth too early. And then change all of these to whole notes. And the way that I'm going to do this is by pressing equals and then the note duration that I want to use. So if I want to change it to whole notes, I can press equals whole or equals W, and then everything turns into a whole note. You can do this the same way here and navigate through. And then you have this. Now these will not play back exactly right because the start times and end times are going to be off. If you look in the sequencer overlay, you can get there by pressing tab. It will open up these lines that will show you the start and ending times for each one of the notes. I actually do want these to be right on the beat, so I'm going to select them all and go to Tools, Quantize the Notation. This will set the note durations to be the way that they are in the score. Now I get it. So there's a couple of other editing tricks that I would like to do to this line as well. I didn't actually want just whole notes to be playing back. What you can do is you can add tremolo to them. You can actually shift select or rubber band select the entire group of measures, and then press the / key, which is the same one as the one with a question mark on it, which moves the number of divisions in your note durations. So you get measured eighths, and then 16ths, and tremolo. Okay, and I think to eliminate some of that start time, I'm going to add a